Well, today I ordered one of those Winegard wingman antennas for my Winegard antenna, and it's supposed to improve the reception. You just pull these grommets out. Now they can be tough, so I already got them started. So you can see they have a little nipple on them, and they were up in there. But the first two were really bad. So sometimes they'll just crumble. But once you get those rubber grommets out, then you can take your Winegard. Take off your snaps, because that's what's gonna go on the antenna. It's really silly that they put them under that like that. Alright, and you put it up there. Like that. Take your new tabs. You just push them in. Find the holes, line them up, pop it in. Pop it in. Okay. Pop it in. You just want to make sure you get the old grommets out. And that's all there is to the install. As you can see, I got plenty of clearance. That's the one thing you got to make sure of, that you got at least 10 inches of clearance around this wingman. So now I'll see if my reception improved. Okay, I did the scan. I'm going to skip the cable scan. And let's see.
Stuck with the repair bill.
VTV.
Rock band.
Fox.
That make lock.
Fox Movies. That's a USF channel. NBC.
Considering taking this on?
Okay,
That's my
NBC.
goal. Yeah.
Start. It's the #1 prescribed branded crime.
Okay, so I'm getting channel 20 that has 6 channels, channel 51 that has 4 channels, channel 5 that's got 3 channels, channel 9
Number one selling nerve.
that's got 4 channels. Wow, big improvement.
Serious side effects.
In a survey,
Big improvement. This is the middle of the day. It'd probably really be nice at night. Rescan it again. For 33 bucks, I think I did okay. Definitely get more channels. Definitely. So,
Talk about fearless
it's called the Wingman. I got it on Amazon for $33 and tax. And I'll see how it goes. Keep you updated on it. So, see you on the next video.